buddies, welcome to Happy Tube. It's evening time and I am craving for some snacks. You too? Okay, so let's make some healthy snacks. It's a genuine issue that we feel hungry in evening and we could not find anything to eat, and what we do, we end up in having some unhealthy deep fried snacks, or we just keep the evening snacks. A big no to that. So I am here with you to make some healthy and tasty recipe. It's very quick. All you need is 5 minutes of time, some eggs, whole wheat flour, onion, green chili, fresh coriander leaf, oil, sugar, pepper. I think a pinch of baking powder will be required. So let's get started. We will start by breaking the eggs.
Add salt as per your taste. Also some pepper powder. And some baking powder. Baking powder will make the paratha fluffy. Using an electric beater, I am beating the egg. I will beat the egg for 3 to 4 minutes. See, it has attained the ribbon consistency, so it's done. Now I will quickly chop the green vegetables. 2 green chilies, 1 medium size onion. I will chop all this using a hand chopper. And some coriander leaves. Just 2 or 3 pulls and I will get a finely chopped onion, chilies and corianders. See, it's done. Now add these chopped vegetables in your beaten egg. Now add the whole wheat flour. Here I have taken 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour. Give it a very good mix. I am preparing 3 parathas, so I have taken 3 eggs and 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour. So for one person you can take 1 egg and half cup of whole wheat flour. I think the batter is getting thick, so I am gonna add a little water into this batter. Now I think it's done. Now on the flame, put the flame in low. spread some oil in the tawa. I am using mustard oil, cold pressed mustard oil. Just spread the oil a little bit. Add the batter and spread it. Try to make it as thin as possible and try to give it a round shape. Spread a little oil this side too. And flip it. We will be cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, and if you feel confident and having fun in flipping, you can flip any time. Any number of time you can flip it. Now it is cooked from both the sides. And it's ready to eat. Now I am gonna prepare the next one. For this, just sprinkle some water on the tawa to balance the temperature. Let the water evaporate completely. Only after add some oil and repeat the procedure. And what next? Just enjoy these delicious snacks with your family.
পকেটে হাত ভরে